So students, now we have amides which upon reduction will yield amines, right? Now here we can reduce amides by using good reducing agents like lithium aluminum hydride, or simply we can carry out the catalytic hydrogenation, right? So let us consider we have taken amide, that is CH3CONH2. This is ethanamide, right? Now this will be reduced by using a reducing agent like lithium aluminum hydride, or we can carry out catalytic hydrogenation also, right? So this will result into the formation of this compound, right? And please just look over the example that the number of carbon atoms present in amides are similar as that of the number of carbon atoms present here in amines. That means this is a method where we will have same number of carbon atoms in the resulting amine. Thank you.